Okay, so what I'd be showing you in this demo is a tool known as ClickUp, which is used for project management. Herein, I'll be telling you what you need to do. Simply go onto ClickUp site and click on Continue with Google. Okay, so it's taking some time to log in. Okay, so here is one space where I am right now. Uh, what you have to do, you have to see the inbox once. You need to see whether what's shown on the home tab, inbox tab, themes, docs, dashboards, whiteboards, forms, clicks, goals, timesheets, and how is the interface and what do they do. Then you have to jump onto the spaces tab. Here, what you can do is you can create your personal space. For example, you're working on your FYP. So, what you can do is you can write FYP over here and you can click on continue. Now, you need to choose what sort of boards do you need, whether it should be the task statuses, whether it should be any app, whether it should be a default board. What you can choose is task statuses. Okay, so what you can see is here one separate space has been made. Now, what you can do is you can click onto the plus button and you can create folders over here. Folder, as in you're onto the literature review. So, what you can write is literature review over here, and your folder would be created over here. I can also show you my personal ClickUp, which I use for my projects. Let me just take you to another profile, which is this one. Uh, okay, so this is my personal ClickUp, wherein you can see that I have a bundle of spaces made, wherein one is for my PhD, and one is for my teaching, one is for my company, and one is for my personal side, and one is for Sialkot. So yes, you can create spaces like this, different projects like this, and you can create your alarms, your notifications, and whether you have completed it, whether on which stage you are right now. You can edit the stages as well. Have a look onto this tool and look onto your assignment then.